Hello everyone, let's learn some colors. Red color, brown color, pink color, black color, purple color, blue color, light green color, yellow color, sky blue color, dark green color and orange color. E for apple. A for alligator. B for ball. B for book. C for cake. C for car. D for dog. D for doll. E for elephant. E for eagle. F for fish. F for flag. G for grapes. G for goat. H for hand. H for hand. I for ink pot. I for ice cream. J for jelly. J for jug. K for kite. K for king. L for leaf. L for lion. M for monkey. M for moon. N for nest. N for nose. O for owl. O for octopus. P for parrot. P for papaya. Q for queen. Q for question mark. R for rose. R for rainbow. S for sunflower. S for snake. T for tiger. T for tree. U for umbrella. U for uniform. V for van. V for vegetable. W for watermelon. W for watch. X for x-ray. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Y for yogurt. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Let's learn numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, 1 0 10, 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 5 15, 1 6 16, 1 7 17, 1 8 18. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. 1 2 3 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Like and subscribe for more videos.